Hello, we are going to be working on finding the area between two curves. We're going to talk a little bit about what this looks like and then do a more difficult example. So we want to start with this. If you look at this first one, this is the area that we want to find. And you can see it doesn't go all the way down to the x-axis, so we need a new technique. And what we do is we just find the big area under the blue section and subtract off the purple stuff, and then you end up with the area you want. So that's what we're looking at. You don't actually have to worry if it goes below the x-axis in this point because you're working between the two curves. So we're going to take the integral of the blue curve and subtract off the integral of the purple. But I wanted to do a more difficult example because this one's a little too easy. So here's our more difficult example. We're looking to find the area between x squared minus 2x and y equals x. And you do have to graph these just like you do when you find the area underneath the curve. So the green line is x squared minus 2x, and the blue one is y equals x, and it's really a smart move to label those like that. And we want to find the area between those from 0 to 4. And I've shaded that pink, and you can see there's two sections that we need to find the area from, and we need to do them separately. And the reason we need to do them separately is to get a positive area, you have to do the top minus the bottom. So the one that's above minus the one that's below. If you just did this straight from 0 to 4, some of that purple, the pink area would be canceling each other out because it would come out as negative and the other part would come out as positive. So from 0 to 3, you can see that the blue line, that y equals x, is on top. And from 3 to 4, the green part is on top. So we're going to have to break it there at the number 3. So our area is going to go from 0 to 3, blue's on top, so we have x minus the area from the green line, plus, and then we're going to do the 3 to 4 section. The area of the green is on top here, so it's going to be the positive part minus the blue one. So that's how you set that up. And I didn't do the integral because it's a lot like the one we just did on the previous video, but the answer is 19/3, and you are welcome to get some practice and check your work. Thanks. Bye.